What is up, you guys? Today we got a nice little package here from one of my sponsors, Mishimoto. Obviously you can tell what it says right there already, but we're gonna do a quick unboxing and then we're gonna go ahead and install it. But come on, get a little closer, check out what we got. Damn, check out that piping, bro. Look at it out. Ooh, some of that Hot Boy red piping. Let's see how this looks. Ooh, get all up in there, bro. Damn, that's gonna look hella good, bro. So we got air intake piping, and let's see what this is. Oh, okay. We got the filter, and then obviously more piping. Oh, we got a big box over here. Damn, it's like Christmas, bro. Oh, I think the box itself. Damn, it all comes packaged nicely.
Guessing heat shield?
Yeah, it's the box for it. Well, anyways, you guys can see what it is. We're gonna take it all out of the packaging, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started on the install. Alright, some of the things we're gonna need is a flathead, a Phillips, a 4mm Allen key, a 12mm, and a 10mm, and maybe other things, but for sure we're gonna need those to get all this stuff removed. Let's get to it. Alright, we got the car up in the air, the jack stands. So first thing, removing this duct right here. All you gotta do is take off these clips right here. Boom, and should come right off. Alright, so now with that ugliness removed, we're gonna go ahead and move on to these brackets. Down right here, down there, and then there's another one down there somewhere. We'll show you guys later. Oh, but look who it is! Oh! Charge alert! Oh, fuck you. Well, not on my face, bro. Over here.
You're beautiful.
Alright, now that all these are removed, we're gonna go ahead and take off the sensor. Just pop the clip right off.
Oh, perro.
And then we gotta remove this this clamp down here.
Where, bro? Where?
Right here.
Oh,
you see that?
Yeah. Oh, yes.
And then we can get the whole box out. Alright, now that we got that hose clamp loose, we're gonna go ahead from the bottom and then remove the little under tray, and then show you guys what to do after. Alright, so once you're down here, you're gonna have to remove all these plastic clips, and there's like 9 of them, I think. And then these bolts right here, and take off the whole under tray. And then you're gonna have to take off this wheel liner also. That's also being held out by some clips. And then once you take those off, you're gonna have full access to all the piping. Alright, with the plastic cover removed, now we gotta take this hose clamp off from right here. And we should be able to pull the whole hosing out. Oh, and then this bracket. And I think that should be it. So we'll take clamp off, then that bracket, and we'll see if we can take the whole piping out.
In case you got me a little bit, bro, I was already fucking. Oh, I was like this. I was like, next we gotta remove the turbo. Nah, I'm kidding.
Oh, we got an STI turbo.
Damn, bro. I'm about to swap that shit with my brother. Is it the same turbo? Isn't it just different? I don't know, bro. You know more than me.
Nah,
Your brother has the old engine.
Yeah.
He does, huh? Yeah.
He's a new engine.
He's got that
Oh,
EJ.
fuck, nigga. I scared the fuck out of me, bro.
Burp! Can you bring me water?
Can I?
Yeah, please.
Could I?
Oh.
Hey, Patty, I'll be honest.
Hey,
Can you
Patty.
bring me a water too, please?
Patty, can you?
Like,
I'm being honest. Can you give me that that 10mm wrench?
Where?
Right there on the engine somewhere.
Are you pointing up?
Yeah.
Oh, it's up
Oh,
here?
yeah, I see it.
Oh, perro. Fucking me. So drop that shit now. That's gonna get lost.
I'm gonna have to get like. You want some?
No, I'm good. It's like, what? I was like, you want me to hold that shit?
Hold on. Right here. You want like the little. You just want this?
Yeah.
Cause there's a little screw. I think I got oil on it.
Nah, should be good.
You want this?
No, just this. Thank
I'm
you.
gonna leave it here.
Leave that where it was.
Did you say I'm gonna be honest?
Alright, you guys want water?
Yeah, we're both being honest. We want water.
Yeah, I'm being honest, bro. Beyonce had the best video of all time.
Actually, I can finish it because I don't want his mom like.
Oh my god.
My mom knows. My sister took me to. So Nate canceled his barbecue?
He canceled it?
No.
Damn, bro, he's just going through. I was like, is that why you guys gonna stay till fucking 12? I was like, fuck, bro.
No, we say that because we always like every time we install something, we're always in.
Oh, you guys are here late as fuck.
Yeah. All right, so now that we got
Hey, look, he's just ripped, bro.
the
Oh, that's just
hose removed, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can take it out through the top. Jesus, King. Here we go. Kind of
pull it down, you pull it up.
pull it up. Take this out first. Make it easier.
Oh, I should stuck him down here.
Alright, there we go.
As you can see, he pulled it up.
Oh,
Wherever it's hidden.
there we go. That's all that old piping. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and set this aside because we still gotta take off the sensor, and then we'll get on with the new piping. Alright, so here I got everything out of the bags and pretty much everything that came in the package. So what we're gonna start with is this rubber hose. This is gonna go through the bottom, and then we're gonna attach this one to this, something like that, with the clamps. Start right here. So this one goes into the turbo inlet, and then this is gonna attach somewhere right there, or like this actually, and then it's gonna come out through the top, and then we'll attach the rest of the components onto there. But let's get started with this one. Alright, so what you want to do is take off the sensor from the old box and then put it onto this little adapter. Just make sure it's facing the right way so it actually works and it doesn't throw a code or anything. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, next step is to hook this rubber hose onto the pipe right here. There's like, what is it, 45? 90 degree hose, whatever, rubber hose onto the pipe that comes down from the bottom. You clamp that on there, and then here you hook up the one where the airflow sensor is at, and that goes onto that. Boom, that goes in there. Hook all that stuff up, and then we set up the box. But let's go ahead and do that. Alright, we got the sensor in there already. Everything's kind of tightened up. And then don't forget to hook up the sensor. You don't want your car throwing codes or anything. Alright, there you go. Now we're gonna install the air box. Alright, now to secure the box onto here, you gotta use a 10mm bolt right there, and then a nut right there and a bolt down there too, and it's nice and secured. And then this might not line up properly, so just kind of loosen the bottom clamp and then move it around, and then just make sure you put the nut right there, and it should be all secure. Don't forget your wires, and then all you need is the air filter. Pop it right in, and if I can find, oh, clamp, don't forget the clamp, and then clamp it down.
That's what she said.
And you guys should be pretty good to go. All right, got the intake all clamped up. Now we just got to put the top little mounting thing on top and call it a day. Alright, so first, before we get into the installation, we're gonna go ahead and do some sound clips of like before and after of how it sounds before we put the intake on, and then after we do the intake, that way we can see kind of the difference the intake is gonna give the sound. So let's go ahead and start with the front right here, and then we'll do one in the rear.
Perro. We got the STI here. Oh, keep the new wing. Is that diesel? Alright, if you guys want to know how do you feel, bro?
Sounds pretty good, bro.
If you guys want to know how I own this WRX, reading.
We'll test it out on the road though, see how it sounds.
Oh, perro.
Yeah, you got it, bro.
Let's go to it, bro. Let's get it.
Alright, that's the finished product. Got the airbox and everything hooked up. The vent. Now, we're going to take it out for a test drive and see how it sounds on the road. Alright guys, we are in the car. Obviously I can do this two-handed, so we shift to second first. There you go, there's second. And then I'm going to give you guys, with the windows up, see how it sounds on the inside. Okay, okay. And then we'll do a pull with the windows down right now. Just go ahead and cross the street. Second, windows down, and here we go. Obviously you guys can hear how it sounds pretty cool. Do slow down real quick, and then I'll try to get you guys one more. You guys can obviously hear that turbo spooling. And then when it releases some of the air, here we go. Woohoo! Damn! That sounds super clean, guys. Alright, let's go ahead and turn. But yep, that's how it sounds, guys.